YouTube, this is Donna from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. This is the second Sunday of the month, which means it is Dollar Tree Collab, which is use those Dollar Tree stickers collab. So, hashtag use those Dollar Tree stickers collab if you want to play along. Pretty sure most of you guys have at least one pack of Dollar Tree stickers at home. And if not, you can enter to win some of our giveaways. Different people giving away different giveaways at different times. And I'm sure we'll include some Dollar Tree stickers for you to alter. Do whatever you like with them. But the whole point of this collab is just to use some of those things that we get from the Dollar Tree, primarily the stickers, because that's what it's all about, is the stickers. And just use them in fun and creative ways, because, you know, they sucker you into buy them, and then a lot of times they sit, even though we have good intentions. Or we buy more than we use. So anyway, we have this year-long collab, second Sunday of the month. Please check out all the wonderful ladies below. We have Lisa, Susan, Sheba, and Donna, and myself, but we also have other people that are playing along. And their links, of course, like I said, below. Tell them I sent you. I am going to, this is my prerequisite to my video, because I am going to show you what I'm going to use, and then I'm going to come back with the final project. I'm using these Dollar Tree stickers, which I showed recently in the haul, and I am going to make some scrapbook layout borders. So, this one says family and family. I'm not using lucky because I'm not lucky because I'm blessed. But I will be using the happy. Summer and vacation. And then memories and travel. And I will come back. I just want to show you the packs before I open them up and I use them up. So I will come right back and show you what I make. Alright, so now I'm back with some of the stuff I use. And I use a lot of stuff. So I'm going to hurry up and try to go through it quickly. Use my bin of my 3 by 12 inches to make some border strips, and then I just grabbed out a couple of 180-pound sheet pads, old pads that I had. Yeah, these are old pads. That's Jelly Bean, whatever one. This one is Pink Paisley, and I believe this is Recollections. Yep. So those were the paper pads that I used. Then I used literally a plethora of dies and punches, and not dies, excuse me, punches. I used this Fiskars punch right here, the wave. I used this Fiskars Teresa Collins Love. Then the rest, I believe everything else I used was Creative Memories. I used my Creative Memories border system, and I will show you the cartridges I use with that. Okay, so with the border system, I literally use, not all of them, but quite a few of mine I use. This one is On the Road, some cars, and this is the wine chain, gingerbread chain, and this one's called, Gemstone. This one's called Flip Flops. You'll see them up close. You and Me. Bridge. Barbed Wire. Clouds. Lamppost. I use all of those. Then I use some of my punches. This is the Geometric. This is Dine. And this is Cake. So, I'm trying to run through because that's a lot. Then I used my decorative punch right here with these two different waves. You'll see that. And then I used my trimmer. I use a straight blade. I use the wave. I use the Victorian. I use the scallop. I use the deco, and I don't think I use the stamping. So yeah, the wave, the deco, the Victorian, and the scallop, and the straight. And I use both of these. So, yes. And I use some Dollar Tree bling. So what I did was, I ended up just making a whole bunch of borders. Sorry about all the noise. They won't stack. So let me grab my borders right quick and show you what I made. Gotta move it out of the way because it does take up so much space. And I And in here, we have these storage, so you can store your border punches in here, and I'll show you that. This is by Creative Memory, so good place. We have the 3 by 12 inch slots. I have to order me some of these sheets, but you can store your border punches in here. So I made 12 by 12 inch, like 2 to 3 inches borders to go along on scrapbook pages, and I'll be right back. Let me grab something. Okay, so this is my Creative Memory storage binder that I use to store my borders in. So they hold like 3 by 12 inches. So I am going to show you the ones that I made. I've been taking them all out, and I'll just show you how they look against a black piece of paper. Of course, you know, black wouldn't be necessarily one I would choose for these, but just to give you an idea, like if you was making a layout and how the border strips can just help ground that page. So this is the vacation one. And again, I will have pictures up on my Instagram page so you can see them closer. But just make a cute little border strip so that can be a central focal point for your scrapbook page. And then this would be, I did 2 of each, so you can see it from 2 different perspectives. That is the flip-flops border, and I forgot to show you, I also used my flat back enamel dots. And again, you can see the decorative punch from my trimmer. And on this one, you can see another one of the edges right here. This is the bridge border maker, and then this is the wave. Yeah, oh my gosh, why can't I talk? Because it's, what time is it? Like this thing. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. You got it. Yeah, I know. Then this one right here says travel. This is the geometric punch. This is the barbed wire. And of course I just laid it, and I used the stamping trimmer edge right there. And again, this was how this would look. And of course you have color coordinated stock that would match. So again, I'm just doing everything against black. It might not necessarily look good with black, you know, but that is just for the sake of this video. But you could even throw it up against the white piece of paper, just to show you how they might look on a 12 by 12. This is the second travel. I use the cloud border punch here. I use the on the road, those little cars. So you can kind of see how that will look. And that was on a page. And again, that will give you something to, you know, and you don't have to put them, you can make border punches can also be vertical, although all these were such big images, I had to kind of make them that way. But that's another way you could do it. Here's one for summer. And again, that would be cute probably. That looks like with the wave, so down at the bottom would be cute. Of course, all your papers would match, coordinate. You can put it directly on the bottom. You can put them in the middle of the page well. Here's another summer one with Dollar Tree bling. You can use smaller photos. You want to do that. Here's some of the family ones. This is the family with the dine punch, and you can see the decorative edge I used there. I'm going to show them up close in just a second. This is the wine punch, another decorative edge from my trimmer. I think it came out really cute. This is the biggest one I think I did, and this is 3-inch, and I took the lamp post and I did 2 different ones, but it made it look like it was a split, like a zipper opening up. And this is that same, this punch is that same one right here called lamp post. I did it 3 times here, and I did a decorative edge for my trimmer on the strips. And this one is you and me, and some decorative edges, and some, of course, the Dollar Tree bling as well. This is another memories one, using that same wave trimmer and Another decorative trimmer there, and then the gingerbread man punch. This is Happy, and I used the cupcake border punch right behind that, and some bling and some decorative edges as well from the trimmer. And the last one I used the gemstone, and I just used multiple ones of that one, and I layered it. So I'm going to show you to you real quick up close, and I hope that you guys are going to check out everybody else that's in this collab. You'll be inspired, be amazed, and see what they came up. So I just thought this was a fun way to use up these large stickers. So that is the Happy one. You can see the enamel dots on the end. Again, that is the other Happy. Sorry about that lighting. You can see that cupcake and cake. It's called Cake Punch, and all the decorative edges on that one as well. Here's the memory with the waves, decorative edges, and the gingerbread. Decorative edges and the You and Me punch. Because you and me make memories, right? And this is the family one. This is the lamp chain. Again, I use most of these punches all came from my creative memories. If you want anything from them, my website is linked below. You can order from them as well. Decorative edges on the trimmer. And Dollar Tree bling. And this was the lamp chain. I did 2 of them there. Added some bling. That's the love viscous punch. Like that, looks like a mouth or a zipper. And then this is the wine and some decorative edges from the trimmer and Dollar Tree bling. This is that dine punch and some decorative edges from the trimmer. Decorative trimmer, just the 2 waves, very simple but cute. Border and the Dollar Tree bling. And that is that Fisker's waves punch, and then a decorative trimmer on the edges and some Dollar Tree bling. This is the clouds border punch and on the go cards and the decorative punch, and then some enamel dots. That's the other one. That's the geometric punch and the barbed wire punch and a couple enamel dots. Sorry about the lighting. And then last 2, vacation again. That's flip flops and the decorative punch and some enamel dots. Very simple borders that, like I said, they can really make your scrapbook pages pop. If you don't have time to do much else, you just add this up there and a couple photos, and trust me, your page is done. And again, that's the bridge punch and some decorative edges, and you've got a scrapbook layout. So check out the ladies, see what they did, figure out some other ways that you can use your Dollar Tree items. Again, I made 12 of these border punches, and I am going to put them back in here and store them so I can keep them not getting messed up. So please go check out the other ladies. Thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.